case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1841, the South Carolina Court of Appeals heard Murray v. South Carolina Railroad, a case examining the liability of a company for the actions of its employees. The lawsuit was brought by an employee of the railroad company who was injured due to the negligence of a fellow employee. The question at hand was whether the company should be held liable for the injury. In the lower court, the plaintiff's case did not fit into any of the typical principles applied to cases involving passengers or strangers. The railroad company contended that they should not be responsible for the actions of one worker towards another, and that employees shouldered the ordinary risks of their vocation. The court had to determine whether the company could be held liable for an employee's injury caused by the negligence of another employee. The South Carolina Court of Appeals ultimately decided that the company was not liable for the injury in question. They found that the plaintiff's contract with the company did not include a guarantee against the negligence of co-servants, and that employees assumed the ordinary risks associated with their occupation. The idea that the owner may be responsible for employing unfit agents did not apply in this case, as the company's engineer was deemed competent. As a result of these findings, the court ruled that the plaintiff was not entitled to retain the lower court's verdict and granted a new trial. The decision established that a company is usually not responsible for the actions of one employee towards another, unless the company has done something wrong in hiring the worker.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.